Did you know that your playlist might be your most underrated productivity tool? In today's Thrive in 5, I'm showing you how to use music with intention to boost your energy, shift your mindset, and to get focused fast.
You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in.
Let's talk about something that can completely change your productivity, and it's probably already in your pocket: music. Whether you're trying to hype yourself up, get out of a rut, or zero in on a focused work sprint, music is one of the most effective and fun ways to shift your energy fast. And the best part is you can tailor it to exactly how you want to feel. Music isn't just background noise, it's a mood-setting tool. And when you use it with intention, it becomes a strategy. Here's how to start using music as a motivational tool that works for you. You need to create multiple playlists based on your energy level. Instead of one giant playlist, try creating categories like focus mode or get pumped or creative flow. You can have fun naming these. When you know the mood you want to access, you can instantly match the vibe with your playlist. No decision fatigue. Need to go through your inbox? Maybe it's a calm lo-fi or a soft piano. Need to power through a workout or clean the house? Maybe it's a high-energy pop or old-school hip-hop. The right music primes your brain for whatever task is at hand. Use a strong starting song to anchor a routine. Pick one song that always signals the start of your work block, workout, or creative session during this playlist time. Over time, your brain begins to associate that song with focus or productivity, and that's how habits get locked in faster with sensory triggers like sound. Keep it fresh, but not distracting. Your motivational music doesn't need to be trendy or perfect, it just has to work for you. Lyrics can be motivating or distracting depending upon your task. For deep focus, try instrumental or lyric-free tracks. For energy, crank up those favorites. Even if it's a little cheesy, there's no judgment here. Music has a direct line to your nervous system. It affects your heartbeat, your breathing, your mental clarity. When used intentionally, it's like flipping a switch on your mood and motivation, and it takes less than 30 seconds to start working. So to recap, your action steps to implement this today is to create 2 to 3 playlists for specific scenarios. Motivation, focus, and creative flow are my suggested starting ones. Choose a starter song that signals it's time to work for each playlist. Use the music intentionally at least once today, and notice how it shifts your mood or energy. Music isn't just entertainment, it's a productivity tool that you can access anytime. So the next time you're dragging or feeling distracted, hit play and let the rhythm reset you. You've got this.
Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving, and remember, you've got this.